All right, so what we're experiencing in the real estate market is the lack of inventory is holding the market back a little bit more, right? Where we still have a large number of buyers ready to go, ready to submit offers, but there's just not enough houses on the market. So even as open houses and things start to pick up, we're not officially in the spring market. We're just in the beginning stages. So if you're a buyer and you're looking to buy a house right now, keep your eyes open. The spring market, there's always a little bit more inventory. And when you see it, you got to be first, you got to be fast, and you have to submit a good offer, right? You might even want to consider submitting an offer and then going to look at the house, right? You've seen enough houses to know what to do. And if you're a seller thinking of waiting until the spring, every seller is waiting until the spring. And if you beat that rush, you still get all the buyers that are on the market now to call you first.